Hello, 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 boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 31st, 2023, last day of the month, July. And we have already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time. And this will be number 6843. Yeah, 6843. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. Wow. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Alright. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Then need to think. Yeah, double 1 here no, there no. Double O here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. Double 1 here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve again, and I like this one without comparing. If you enjoy this video, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really 4 stars? We don't know. It has 11 printed digits. Could be. Otherwise, see you later. Bye bye for now.